Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2011 Mercedes ML350 maintenance light reset. Now we're gonna be using these buttons over here, the menu button, both of them, and we're gonna be using up and down, and also we're gonna use the up and down over here on the right side also. And we're also gonna use this R button in here, and we're gonna be looking at that screen right there. First of all, go ahead and turn on your ignition to the first position, just like that. Now use the menu button to go find mileage, just like that. Now when you get to the mileage, press 3 times on this R right here. 1, 2, 3. Now when you get here, go ahead and use an up and down on the left side to get to here, service menu. Now use the up and down on the right side to go down to confirmation, and use the menu button over here to click on the enter on that. Okay, now use the up and down on the right side to scroll down. Actually, don't scroll down, to enter on full service, and use the enter button as menu button as the enter, and enter on the full service. And there you go, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.